Diversity means a range of differences. Aboriginal peoples and Torres Strait Islander peoples are very diverse. Over thousands of years, different Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander groups developed different practices depending on their environment and contact with others. Some groups lived near the sea, some lived in the rainforest, and some lived in inland Australia. The diversity of Aboriginal peoples and Torres Strait Islander peoples is demonstrated in the diversity of their technology, or how they made weapons or utensils such as baskets or bowls, art, which shows their beliefs and behaviours, stories, which were told orally, and language, which is used to describe the environment and behaviours and to share knowledge. Let's have a look at some examples. This tree is from Wurundjeri people in Victoria. The plaque at the bottom of this tree reads, "The scar on this tree was created when Aboriginal people removed bark to make canoes, shields, food and water containers, string, baby carriers and other items. Please respect this site. It is important to the Wurundjeri people as traditional custodians of the land and is part of the heritage of all Australians." This is a valuable source that tells us that the Wurundjeri people used trees such as this one for many purposes. I wonder if all groups used trees in this way, and if they did they have access to the same trees, or did they use different trees that have different shaped trunks? Headdresses are made by some peoples from the Torres Strait Islands. They are used in ceremonies and dances. Look closely at this headdress. It was created for dance and tells us that the people in this area believe the crocodile was an important animal. The basket on the left comes from Aurukun in North Queensland. The basket on the right is a bicornuate basket used by the Durable people of North Queensland to detoxify cycad seeds. A cycad is a plant and the seeds of the cycad are poisonous to eat. This basket was used to collect the seeds and the seeds then had the poison removed. These baskets are both a very different shape. What does that tell us about the diversity of these two groups? Different peoples have different technologies. The different technologies were developed for the environments in which they were used. The first image is a fishing spear from Saibai Island in the Torres Strait. The head consists of 7 metal prongs bound to a bamboo shaft with fine red twine. The second image is a 4-pronged Aboriginal fishing spear used on the eastern and northern coasts of Australia. Bone points are bound to each prong with plant fibre and secured with resin. All of the materials used to make fishing tools came from the land around. Plants to make the scoop, wood to make the harpoon, and turtle shell to make the hooks. The people who made them would have needed access to these materials, so we can see that these artefacts came from different Aboriginal groups and Torres Strait Islander groups throughout Australia. There is a diversity in the technology used to create utensils such as baskets and the art which shows their beliefs and behaviours.